Your new Toyota has some highly advanced safety systems. In this short video, we'll tell you how to use them to give the most enjoyable and relaxing driving experience. First, the pre-collision system, which is always active unless switched off. It uses a radar sensor and front camera to detect objects in front of your Toyota. When the system calculates that a collision is imminent, it sounds a warning and flashes a message on the multi-information display. If it determines the possibility of a collision is extremely high and no action has been taken by the driver, the brakes are automatically applied. The automatic braking will be cancelled if the accelerator pedal is pushed hard, the brakes are applied, or the driver steers sharply, as if avoiding the obstacle. The pre-collision warning can be turned off or the timing changed using the multi-information display. Use these switches to find the menu. When you see this symbol, press the Select button. Now press these buttons to scroll through the options and select when you see this symbol. Now select Sensitivity. There are 3 levels available and the middle setting is the default. Next, we'll take a look at Lane Departure Alert. This function reads the road markings on motorways and other faster roads, alerting the driver when the CHR seems to be drifting out of lane. If the car drifts across the markings, the lane line will flash yellow. The system won't warn the driver or intervene if the indicators have been activated. You can turn the system off at any time using this button on the steering wheel. The car will remember your preference next time you drive. Next, we'll tell you about the automatic high beam system fitted to some CHR models. This uses a front-facing camera to assess the light from other vehicles. It then automatically controls the high beam to give the best visibility without dazzling oncoming traffic. First, check the headlight switch is at the on or auto position. To activate or deactivate the automatic high beam system, push this button by the driver's right knee. Then push the left-hand stalk away from you. A light will show on the display to show AHS is active. Now let's look at Road Sign Assist. This helps keep you on the right side of the law by reading specific road signs and warning you if you're breaking the rules. When the camera recognizes a sign, it will be shown on the multi-information display. Here, the system will sound a chime and flash a warning to remind you of the road sign instruction. Should you wish to turn the system off, look for this option in the Settings menu. Finally, we'll look at the CHR's full-range adaptive cruise control. When set, the car will maintain a set speed until it comes up behind another vehicle. It will then stay at a fixed distance behind until the way is clear. To activate the system, press this button on the stalk to turn the cruise control on. Once you've reached your cruising speed, press the Set switch. The cruise control set indicator will come on to show your speed has been set. The car will now hold you at this speed as long as the road is clear. If you want to adjust the distance between your car and the vehicle in front, it can be set by operating this switch. There are 3 choices: long, medium or short. If the vehicle in front is too close and the car can't decelerate fast enough, it will sound a chime and may apply the brakes automatically. To cancel the system, simply pull a stalk towards you or touch the brake pedal. Enjoy the advanced safety features of your Toyota and drive carefully.